We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC L8610 printer, and we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. Now the reason we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass is we noticed whenever we're making copies or scans, we've been getting some lines or blemishes on our copies or our scans, and that's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So, first thing you want to go ahead and do is open up the top of the scanner, and you'll notice there's actually two separate pieces of glass. You have your large flatbed scanner for doing your face down copies, and then there's a small strip of glass here on the left. Now what that's for is anytime you're using this top document feeder, all that scanning or copying is being done here on the small strip of glass on the left. So the reason that's important is depending on which method of scanning or copying you're using, whenever you're noticing those blemishes occurring, that's going to tell you which piece of glass you need to focus most of your cleaning on. It just helps kind of reduce the amount of surface area you actually have to look at and try to find whatever spots are causing those problems. So once you get that figured out, the cleaning supplies you're going to need is a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have something like glass cleaner available, you can use something like rubbing alcohol. And then what you're going to want to do, and the biggest tip I can give you, is to please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth, never to the glass on the printer. If you apply your cleaner directly to the glass on the printer, you run a really high risk of the cleaner seeping underneath the glass, and then that can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth and not to the glass on the printer. After that, we're just going to go ahead and wipe everything down. Wanting to make sure we remove any kind of dust, fingerprints, dirt, any kind of ink buildup, whiteout buildup, tape, anything like that's all really common to find on the scanner. So make sure you get it all removed. Keep in mind that some things like whiteout or ink can be a little bit more stubborn. You might have to go over those spots a few more times. But just give it a good wipe down, and then give it a visual inspection. Make sure you don't see anything remaining on the glass. It should look nice and clean. If you still see any spots that are giving you a little bit of trouble, just go back over those until you're happy with the way everything looks. And then once you got the glass cleaned to the way you want it to be, I would recommend running a test copy or a test scan. In this case, since I cleaned both pieces of glass, I would try both methods. So I'd use both the top document feeder and using the face down copies on the flatbed scanner. And if I'm happy with the results, then you're good to go. And if you're still getting some slight blemishes, there's probably still something on that scanner glass that's just a little harder to see. Repeat that cleaning process. That should take care of it. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'll love to answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. And we hope you have a great day in your backup and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.